Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set a project budget in Zoho Projects. All right. This one will be available only if you create a new project. Also, when you go ahead over to the top right, click on the settings icon. Go ahead over to portal configuration. And in here, we have projects and budget. Okay. Just click on it and make sure that under budget settings, you have this one enabled. Okay. Also, if you want, you can enable revenue budget, non-billable hours, budget threshold email, so on and so forth. Okay. Enable it all if you want to. And once done, don't forget to hit on save right here. Okay. Once it's enabled, you can now go ahead and go to projects and create a new project. Now let's just go ahead and create a new project from scratch right here. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down. You will find budget. Okay. You will only find this section if you have enabled it from settings. Okay. Select the currency and the budget type right here. It can be based on project, milestone, task, or user. There you go. Budgeted hours. Enter the desired hours right here. Budgeted hours threshold. Cost budget threshold. Revenue budget. The billing method can be via project hours, staff hours, or task issue hours. Okay. Default cost per hour and default rate per hour. And once that's done, once you have set up your new project, just click on add right here. Let's say budgeted project. Start date, December 1, end date, end of the month. Project group, add. There you go. That is how you add or set up a project budget here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.